guys, it's your boy Mac the Trader, and welcome back to another video. So in this video, we're going to be breaking down a Nasdaq trade that I took yesterday. All right, I was supposed to record this video yesterday, but I had a busy day yesterday. And then this morning, we were day trading and things like that, trying to catch a play. I haven't caught anything just yet, all right, but we might be trading the PM session, so I'll keep you guys posted with that. Anyways, if you want to keep up with like my day-to-day, like the trades that I take and stuff like that, follow me on Instagram because I'm always posting it on my story, or join the free Discord. It's up to you, but Instagram definitely gets the update very, very quickly. So let's go ahead and get into it. I'm outside on the balcony right now, so you guys may hear cars drive back and forth. I hope it's not too loud. It shouldn't be. So let's get into it. So before we get into the video, if you enjoyed this video, feel free to leave a like. Subscribe to the YouTube family if you're not already subscribed. And you guys know I have to show you the profit. So this was the trade that we took yesterday. Okay, I actually closed it extremely early. Okay, so we made about $1,700 on this trade. But really, I just wanted to cover my risk for today's trade, and then it was like a little bit of profit on top. So with this small account, like I said in my previous videos, I'm risking a certain dollar amount instead of percentage amount because the account is pretty small. So with that being said, as long as I'm able to cover my risk for my next trade, anything extra on top of that, I'm just looking at as, you know, free money, good to go, right? So I'm not really holding all of these trades. I'm just in and out, in and out, in and out, in and out. So let's go ahead and get into the breakdown. So yesterday during the PM session, all right, we took a sell position here. Now, if you were watching my Instagram story, I sent out a 2.58% return on investment trade to the MTA analysis channel, okay? I'll drop that video after this one so you guys can feel free to watch that, and I'll show you the breakdown and things like that. But I don't trade currencies. Okay, so I analyze the currencies for Mac Trading Academy analysis Discord. Okay, but I don't necessarily trade currencies like personally in my account, right? So after we caught a 2.58% position for them, okay, then I transitioned my attention to the Nasdaq markets. All right, so I can catch a play. So that's why we didn't necessarily take any trades during the actual AM session, right, of New York. We did have a good buy position down here that formulated, but like I said, we missed it since we were looking at currency analysis for the community. However, the PM session came around, okay, then we saw a pretty good move, or I saw a pretty good move, and I decided to enter. Let's go ahead and break this down. So what's most important to me in this area here, okay, is this accumulation that we see on the M1 time frame. Now, you can go up a time frame and all of this still makes sense. Okay, I'm just gonna focus on the M1 time frame right now because that's the time frame that I day trade on. All right, so here we can see we had some accumulation, right? We had this high form, this low form, price played around in this area, and then we had a nice push, you know, to the upside. Okay, after that, price manipulated, we swept buy side liquidity, and then we had a nice push to the downside. Okay, that is very important to me. Okay, that is one of that entire, we can call it 3 phases. Okay, accumulation, manipulation, distribution. Once you see that, okay, then there are certain confluences that you can use in order to confirm or deny. But let's say it's confirmed. Okay, then you can then really take advantage of the market. Okay, even if it's just a small piece, because really when you're day trading, you're just looking for, me personally, I'm just looking for quick in and out moves. I'm not really looking to be in a trade for a long time. I'm not looking to hold a trade for a session. I don't even hold runners with the small account, right? I'm literally just collecting pieces of distribution and then getting out of the market, okay? Which is why sometimes, or you can formulate the strategy to have like multiple entries and things like that within one session. However, on the Nasdaq and things like that, I'm mainly just focused on just one session. Give me 1 second, guys. So after we had this break to the downside, okay, after all of this was confirmed with our confluences, all right, we had a nice little imbalance that fully extended and broke the previous accumulation, which was here. All right, we had a little bit of a hiccup here, price traded back in, then we had a nice push to the downside. That inefficient pricing that was offered, okay, that's where I was looking to take my entry for the sell position. All right, so that's where I took my entry. Price pushed down, played around a little bit in this area, pushed up a little bit, and then we had that nice drop to the downside. Very simple, very straightforward. All right, so that is essentially the trade in essence, in whole. Made about $1,700 on that trade. I made my investors $1,700 on that trade. So we'll see what today brings within the market, and then we'll just keep it going. So far this week, I've taken no losses on the Nasdaq. I've only traded Nasdaq this week, but we've taken no losses. Let me show you guys really quick. Well, we do have a loss on the books, but it was an accident. I bought and sold, or I took a sell position then closed it, trying to fix the lot sizes and things like that. So far this week, we've taken no losses on our trade ideas on the Nasdaq. It's to be expected using the fuel trading model. Course is coming very, very soon, and if you want to join the free Discord and you want to see, you know, study material and things like that uploaded daily for your viewing pleasure, feel free to join the, you know, free Discord. We always have a really good time, and like you can ask questions, right? Like here, right? Like we always have a good time chit-chatting, traders asking questions, things like that. So feel free to join the free Discord, and I will see you guys there. Much love. Peace out.